Miturire ya andu aingi guku bururi-ini ni thararitio muno ni murimu wa COVID-19, aingi makiuga ati ona kuona irio cia kuria ni thina.
No irio ni mbeca, wira riu no arugamire ni undu wa corona ino, riu kona irio no marina.
No umuthi family ngiri imwe Kieni county ya Nyeri mena gitumi gia gukena thutha wa kuheo uteithio wa irio. Muikariri giti wa bengi Linus Gitahi akiuga maraheana irio cia milioni 2.5 guku.
Itawasaidia watu wa Kieni West na iko 2.5 million shillings. 2.5 million shillings ndio tumeleta hapa kwa wananchi wenzetu wa Kieni West.
Gitahi augete ati bengi no kugeria kunyita itemi guteithĩrĩria muingi riri o mundu aragieka.
Doing this because like I said, hii ni Kenyan bank. We want to work with the people. We want to celebrate when we are having good things. We want to work with the people when we are having COVID and ensure that at no time will you look and not fight Diamond Trust Bank.
Mubunge wa Kieni Kega hamwe na munini wa commissioner mwena ucio magikenerera uteithio ucio.
This is an example of what the corporate should also do. It should not be left to the government to do these kind of things because we are all challenged at the moment and this is the time to come together. Na tunashukuru sana.
The people that we are given you the list of and we appreciate what you are doing and we are asking other people also to come up and assist us.
Turirikana murenya wa muri tukuriaga kaira tumenya ni ati ungi tugwika aringi na korona ikoro yagirira mawira macokereria
tondu athuri aitu matitwire wira kuria mathiaga wira ni marugamirio riu tutire na gia kuria twina thina biu umuthe na tukenete muno ni kuona gia kuria.
No thengia wa uheani wa irio icio bengi iyo ni irutite uteithio wa milioni 100 cia mihang'o ya kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Martin Munene.